Sprawling across acres, this facility represents the pinnacle of aerospace manufacturing, where the legendary F-18 Hornet takes shape. This ultrasonic inspection is critical, ensuring zero internal flaws before the material moves to the machining center. The technician monitors the resin infusion process, ensuring vacuum pressure remains stable as the composite saturates. Once secured inside the autoclave, the curing cycle begins. Immense pressure and heat harden the carbon fiber into its final high-strength form.
Almost there, just a fraction left.
It's seated.
All right, secure the mounts.
Using laser levels, technicians ensure the 20-degree outward cant is perfect for high alpha flight stability.
Okay, secure that bundle, ready for the next rack connection.
Right here, confirm connection. The seat locks into the rails, and the technician connects the umbilicals. The insertion of the red flag safety pins mark
Borescope is showing pristine condition on the blades.
Copy that. Engine is cleared for the Hornet.
Keep coming forward, watch the clearance on the left side. Holding steady, it's seated. Locked in, start the connections on my mark.
Pylon secured to the hard point, initiating electrical and fuel pressure checks now.
Continuity check complete. Status green.
Technicians align the barrels, spinning them by hand to check clearance, before connecting the ammunition feed chute to the internal drum.
Alignment check is complete.
Det cord connection secure. Ready for sealing sequence.
At the rear of the fuselage, the massive steel arresting hook is installed. This stinger allows the F-18 to catch the wires on a carrier deck.
The onboard oxygen generation system extracts breathable air. The digital gauge confirms oxygen concentration is right.
Link 16 handshake confirmed. We are connected to the ground simulator. Pumps engaged. We have 400 GPM flow rate confirmed.
Roger that. Checking lines for turbulence.
we have to ensure a perfect seal on this protective layer.
Otherwise, moisture ingress becomes a factor down the line. The bore scope allows us to verify the check valve articulation. It must open and close smoothly with
How are the measurements looking on your end?
We have structural perfection, 0 deviation confirmed.
As the pressure rises, the vent valve opens, releasing the excess air. The canopy is pressurized to check the integrity of the rubber seals. The ultrasonic leak detector confirms the cockpit is perfectly airtight.
The worker uses a depth gauge to ensure the brake linings are brand new and perfectly seated within the titanium calipers.
The high-definition camera clicks securely into the mount. We connect the data line to the solid-state recorder and verify the focus on the tablet display. The high-speed cooling fans prevent the radar and mission computers from overheating. The technician begins the deployment test, checking the structural integrity of the boarding ladder under load. Rungs engaging smoothly.
Readings are dropping precisely in 1-foot increments. Radar altimeter calibration is successful and verified accurate.
We inspect the anti-slosh baffles inside the wing tank. These foam grids prevent explosions and sloshing.
The gearbox is filled with high-grade synthetic oil. Once the level is correct, the magnetic drain plug is secured using a torque wrench. The cleaning agent flushes through the engine galleries, carrying away debris. The fluid in the sight bowl quickly transits.
The wing root fairings are sealed with a moisture-proof compound. Technicians use pneumatic drivers to secure the flush mount.
The technician applies synthetic grease to the accessory gearbox. This unit drives the generators and hydraulic pumps.
This sensor alerts the pilot to enemy radar from behind. Once installed, the system immediately begins its scanning sequence.
Weight and balance check complete. Dry weight confirmed at 59,545 pounds.
Center of gravity within limits. Ready for sign-off.
Radio check, ComSync secure channel 1. Authenticate.
With just a few quick-release latches, these cowlings swing open, giving us full access to the F-414 engine core for rapid maintenance. Final quality acceptance complete. Ferry 1 is clear.